In many CNC systems, stopping a cut can make restarting difficult and risky. NX Plasma solves this with smart profile-based restart. The program is ready, the origin is set, and the selected profile can now be cut. Now we stop the cut, as if the operator needed to inspect the part or correct a problem. NX Plasma stores the stop position on the actual cutting profile, not just the current torch position. Even if the torch is moved away, the software still knows the correct valid restart point. Press Start again and choose to restart from the last stop position. The torch returns to the saved profile position before cutting continues. This helps avoid ruined parts, reduces operator stress, and makes recovery much safer. NX Plasma restarts from precise valid profile positions, not from random torch locations.